So standard 8, we are in parallel lines and transversals. This is lecture number 2, exercise 2.2, question 1. Choose the correct alternative. So the figure is given here. I will complete that figure. This is the P, this is M and N. Line M parallel line N. Line P is the transversal. Then find X. This is the question. And this is X, this is 3X. So how to find? The options are given. A 90 degree, 135 degree, B 90 degree, C 45 degree, and D 40 degree. So which is the correct option? Solution, just in the examination we don't have to solve. In the rough work you can solve. So we know that these are the interior angles. Interior means inside. So these 3x and this x, they are on the same side and the interior angles. Their sum will be 180 degree. Solution, 3x and x. For your explanation I am just writing it. 3x and x are interior angles. Interior angles are supplementary. Angles are supplementary. Why I am explaining this way? Because this can be asked for 2 marks also or 3 marks also, or some other aspects will be given, and then this question will become of 3 marks. To solve, it is of 2 marks now. Interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum is 180 degree. Therefore, 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Supplementary, the meaning is their sum is 180 degree. 3x, this is plus 1x. 3x plus 1x is 4x. Therefore, 4x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 degree divided by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 45 degree. The division, 4 1s are 4 4s are 16, remains 2, 4 5s are 20. So this way the value is 45 degree. How you will write the answer? Write answer. Answer, how to write the answer? Just I am telling you. C 45 degree. This is the correct way of writing the answer. Don't write only C. Don't write only 45. Write both of the things. C 45 degree. Hope that you have understood this. In second figure also, in second question, second one, same way the lines are given. This thing I am not going to write the question. I am just explaining it. And here it is. This is A line. This is B line. This is L line. This angle is 2x. And this angle is 4x. Find x. Find x. Now as, see this angle is equal to this angle. See this here. This angle 4x and this angle, they are alternate angles. Check, I will tell you what is alternate angle. This angle and this angles, they are called as the alternate angles. So this angle and this angle is alternate angle. This is clear to you. So alternate angles are equal. So this is 4x. So therefore this is also 4x. Now the sum of these two will be 180 degree, because this is a line like this line. This is a transversal like this. This is 2x and this is 4x. These two angles are on a single line. See this. This is a line and this is the angle. This angle and this angle, they are on the same line. If you put the protector on this line, it will be giving you till this 180 degree. That means the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Okay. So this and this, they are the linear pair angles. So their sum will be 180 degree. So solution is 4x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair angles. Therefore 6x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180. This 4x plus 2x is 6x. And this 6 will be upon. Therefore x is equal to 30 degree. So 6 ones are 30. Hope that you have understood this. So hope that you have noted it down. Try to understand it well. So I am rubbing this question now. You have noted it down. Don't try to learn the question, try to understand each and every question. The second question is very important. Question 2. Find x and y. Angle x and angle y. The figure is given. That figure I am drawing here. P, Q, this is A, this is X, this is 40 degree, this is Y, this is B, and this is 70 degree. So we have to find X and Y. So how I can find this X? See, this is 40 degree and this is A. They are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means at the same position. Above, on the right. So A and 40 degree are corresponding angles. So angle A equal to 40 degree. Reason, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. This is A and this is 40. Corresponding angles are equal. That's why A is also 40 degree. Now A and X are linear pair. See, this is a line on this is, so this angle and this angle. These two angles are on the same line. On the same line, two angles means linear pair. And the sum of the linear pair angles is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle X, or I will write angle X plus angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair angles. Linear pair angles are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum is 180 degree. Therefore, angle X plus angle A we have found it is 40 degree. Right here 40 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, this 40 is plus, on that side it will become minus. Angle X is equal to 180 degree. This is plus, on that side it will become minus 40 degree. And therefore, angle X is equal to 180 minus 40 is 140 degree. Angle X is what? This is 140 degree. The answer is for X 140 degree. Okay. Now, this part is all. I will write here a box for this. So highlight this so that the examiner will become happy. You are an intelligent student. Now come for this Y. These are the two parallel lines. This is the transversal. Okay. Now this is 70 degree. This is also 70 degree. Why? See this. This way. This angle and this angle are equal. See, this angle is how? This is like this. This is like this. This vertex is opposite. It is pointing, this vertex is pointing downward. This vertex is this. What is vertex? This is called as the vertex of the angle. This angle, इसका थोड़ा ऊपर है, इसका नीचे है, यानी अपोजिट है, उसको बोलते हैं वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. वर्टेक्स तो दोनों का सेम है. वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स आर सेम. सो एंगल बी equal to 70 degree. Reason, vertically opposite angles. I will write a shortcut. Vertically opposite angles VOA are equal. So angle B is 70 degree. Now see this Y and B, they are the interior angle. ये अंदर की बात है. See this. Below and on the same side above. These are between the two lines. So interior, inside the two lines. That's why they are called as the interior angle. Y plus B is equal to 180 degree. Angle Y plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Reason, last time we have seen interior angles are supplementary. Interior angles are supplementary. Therefore, angle Y plus B is 70 degree. Put here 70 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, interest is in Y. Shift is there. 180 minus 70 degree. Therefore, angle Y, I don't know whether you can see this. I will write here. Therefore, angle Y is equal to 110 degree. Let me see whether this is in your perspective or not. Yes, you can see it. So this way we have completed this question also. There are many questions in this video, in this exercise. So I am rubbing this. So we will take the next sum. Question number 3. This is P line, Q line, L line, M line. This is 80 degree. This is A. This is D. This is C. This is B. So what is what is given, that is important. L parallel M, and the word line I am not writing, you will write, and P parallel Q. So these two lines are parallel, these two lines are also parallel. So what we have to find angle A, angle B, angle C. All these three we have to find. So we just see this. These two lines are parallel lines. This is their transversal. P parallel Q and L is the transversal. So I will write it. Solution. Line P parallel line Q and line L is the transversal. Don't write what I am writing. Write what I am saying. Line P parallel line Q and line L is the transversal. So if these two lines are parallel, this is the transversal. Don't forget this line now. M line you forget. It is not there. It is like this. Then these two are the interior angles. Angle 80 plus angle A is equal to how much? 180 degree. Linear pair angles, or what it is? What is the reason? It is the interior angle test. Interior angles are supplementary. Angle A plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. The reason is interior angles are supplementary. Angles are supplementary. SUPP. SUPP means supplementary. Don't say soup. Therefore, angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree, and therefore angle A is equal to 100 degree. So this part is over. This is 100 degree. Now see for this and this D. See, forget this line. M line you forget. These two are parallel lines. This is the transversal. This angle and D angle are at the same position. 80 degrees below this. D is also below this. This is up. This is also up. Means 80 degree and D are at the same position. They are the corresponding angles. So angle D is equal to 80 degree. Reason corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay, that part is over now. So D is over, A is over. Or somebody will say, sir, the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Out of that, A is 100. 100 plus B is equal to 180. See that's 100. See this. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. That we know. Linear pair angles. Angle A is 100 degree plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle D is equal to 180 minus 100, and that is equal to 80 degree. This way we would have done. That is also correct, and this is also correct. Okay. Now let us come for B now. Now consider these two lines and this transversal of no use. Consider these two lines, line L parallel line M, and Q is the transversal. Then this and this is corresponding angles. I'll write it. Line M, L parallel M, L parallel M, and you write line L parallel line M, and which should be the transversals? Which should be the transversal? Q should be the transversal. Why? Because this angle and this angle are, we have to see what happens to them, isn't it? We will see whether this corresponding or what. Okay. And Q is the transversal. Q is their transversal. Okay. This is 100. This angle we don't know. This angle and this angle, they are the alternate angles. They are external, means outside alternate angles. There are some other ways. A and this. Say suppose this is X. A and X are corresponding angles. X is what we have assumed. X is what we have assumed. So, angle X is equal to angle A. Reason corresponding angles. Now I am using the shortcut. Curve angles. Curve means corresponding angles. Therefore, angle X is equal to how much? As usual as A means it is 100 degree. Now, X and B is how much? Angle X plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Reason linear pair angles, LPA, linear pair angles. Therefore, out of that, angle X is 100 degree, 100 degree, plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So, remaining part I will write here. Therefore, angle B equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Therefore, angle B equal to 80 degree. So, this part is also over. Hope that you have understood this all. Now, this B and C, this is the transversal. P parallel Q and M is the transversal. See these parallel lines. This is the transversal. C and B are at the same position, above, below, below. See this. For this line it is above. For this line it is above, and this is the transversal. Now what? which are the parallel? P parallel Q. And which is the transversal? M is the transversal. Therefore, angle B equal to angle C. Reason, or rather I will say angle C equal to angle B. Angle C equal to angle B. Reason, corresponding angles. Curve angles means corresponding angles. Therefore, angle C equal to, what is the value of B? 80 degree. 80 degree. And thus, all the angles have been found. So, the video will become very lengthy. We will stop today for this here. And in the next video, we will see the next remaining questions. Bye till then.